This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for July 31st, 2023. It's currently June 2nd, 2023, 3:02 p.m. Eastern Time, and the shuffle file we're about to play was created on May 8th, 2023 at 1:17 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a rally that offers an opportunity to open up a short position. When we look at the 1 month, it's the death card. So there's an important trough in there. We also have a correlation here to a highest high, but my sense is that this correlation is probably speaking about a highest high that takes place in August. Maybe not necessarily here on the 31st, but in like there's a higher high or highest high here in August. That it's kind of like speaking to me about. But in any case, behavior around the highest high for the day of the 31st, we have a prominent peak that we sell off from pretty notably on a one-day chart. There's an important price level that's highlighted around the lowest low there on a multi-day scale. We may see some resistance or flattening out of volatility around that low. I'm advised to trade around a period of sideways rotation. And hard to determine direction as far as where we open the following day. I'm getting a sense that we probably open lower the following day, the first trading day of August. In the pre-market, we have a prominent move higher followed by a full retracement of that move back down into a decline that increases with momentum moving forward in time. I think probably a prominent move higher into the open. We have a high at the open and then a full retracement of that move higher to the high, a full retracement from the high back down to a prominent trough. This is the death card, a cross-reading congruency. I'm not sure how I forgot to mark that off, but it's the death card right there, cross-reading congruency. So from that high, we decline pretty notably. I think there's a fast sudden move higher taking us to a crest around 10 o'clock. And that's where I'd probably open up a short position at a high in anticipation of this decline to a low that takes place between 11 and 12. And that decline into a low between 11 and 12 is where I'd close out of the short position and open up a long position. We have a rally midday into a failed attempt to break through key resistance here between roughly 1 and 2, followed by a decline through key support. And then a big move to the upside between 2 and 3, pushing the upper end of a range higher and giving an opportunity to close out of a long position there, probably between 2 and 3, but probably closer to 2 than to 3. And we have an overbought crest or peak that we sell off from that high down through multiple support levels to an important price level at a low for the day at the end of the day with some sideways rotation into the post market. And that's the S&P 500. For July 31st, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Blessings to my angel investors for doing that. And I'll see you guys on the next one.